What muscles do you work with a rowing machine? So you have recently started rowing, but did you ever ponder what group of muscles this exercise targets? No doubt, rowing is a whole body workout, but it specifically targets a large group of muscles which we will be exploring in this video. Hello everyone, welcome to the Weight Loss Academy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video about weight loss. Before getting into the video, let's have a quick review of the rowing workout. Rowing is a low-impact cardio that can be performed at home or at the gym using a rowing machine. A rowing machine, also called an ergometer, is often referred to as the most complete fitness device. According to the experts, a rowing machine mimics rowing stroke and activates many key muscles of the body. The rowing workout helps build muscle strength, increases tone, and improves flexibility. It is an effective weight loss workout for people with joint problems and heart diseases. For more details about rowing machines, check out other videos on our channel. Now back to the topic. Rowing is an ultra-complete workout that targets the muscles of your thighs, hips, calves, back, arms, shoulders, and belly areas. Almost all muscles of these regions of the body get involved in the workout. To understand their functions in detail, first, let's talk about the method of rowing so you can easily relate to the role of these muscles in weight loss. How to row. Rowing can be practiced both in the gym and at home. As a beginner, you should row in a gym under the supervision of an instructor. When you think that you are trained enough and don't make sufficient time to go to the gym, you can perform this workout at home. Before starting the exercise, you should do some warm-ups. Warm-up is a critical time to set you up for the most productive rowing. After you've done 10 minutes of warm-up, sit down on a seat on a rowing machine and get comfortable. Slight bend your knees so you can get closer to the base of the machine. Then, place your feet on the footplate near the bottom of the base. Hold the handle using an overhand grip. This is your starting position. Make sure that your arms are straight, your head is neutral, and your shoulders are level, not hunched. Also, keep your posture right by engaging the core muscles. Now start the drive by pushing off the footplate from your leg muscles and swinging back from the vertical position. You will feel stress on your legs as they do more than 60% of the work while driving. Extend your legs and pull the handle towards the ribcage. Make sure to keep your arms and wrists straight. At this point, the arms provide the final 30% of the power to complete the stroke. While bringing the handle towards the chest, try to keep your elbows angled behind, but not on the sides of the body. Once you have achieved this position, slowly reverse the order of your stroke. This is called the recovery phase. While coming back to the original position, keep in check that your wrists are straight. Also, don't let go of the handle because the cord on the rowing machine might snap back. First, set a goal to row for 10 minutes. To row for 10 to 15 minutes daily. As the exercise becomes easier for you, increase the time up to 30 minutes. In case of any injury, don't row without the instructions of a trainer. Now we are done with the rowing steps, so let's talk about the muscles performing this workout. We know that the legs are the most important part of the body involved in rowing. The muscles of the legs working in this area are, number 1, the glutes. These are the muscles of the hip joint. They are the super important muscles for rowing. Glutes are responsible for a serious amount of power and drive because whenever you move back or forth during rowing, the glutes help stabilize the hip joint and spine. These muscles are used throughout the workout, so there are chances of glutes getting fatigued, sore, or achy, but without any acute injury. This is because they are the largest and the most powerful muscles of the human body that work against gravity and balance your posture. You may not believe it, but a study says that a larger waist-hip ratio supports neurodevelopment. That's why people with bigger hips perform better on tests than those with smaller hips. Interesting, right? Enjoying this video so far? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, tell us in the comments section what difference you feel in the body muscles through rowing. Number 2. Hamstrings and quadriceps. These muscles are antagonists of each other, but work simultaneously during the workout. Hamstrings are powerful hip extensors that are very important in the explosive push phase of the rowing, while the quadriceps acts as hip flexors and knee extensors. When you initiate the drive while focusing on the legs, the hamstrings become active and extend the hip joint, whereas the quadriceps extend the knee joint and straighten the leg. Both these leg muscles work together to keep the torso in position. In the same way, when your body comes back to its original position, the quadriceps flex the hip joint and hamstrings flex the knee joint so your body can easily slide up to the catch. Number 3. Gastrocnemius and soleus. These are calf muscles whose role as rowing is not so clear, but still, it is considered that these muscles contract to induce ankle extension and knee flexion during each stroke. The contraction of these muscles may be used during the middle of the drive for higher power and fast speed. The second region of the body that works most in rowing is your upper body. The muscles of the arm, chest, and shoulder work simultaneously to successfully complete a stroke. Let's find out one by one how they work. Number 1. Arm muscles. The triceps and biceps are the major arm muscles that are involved in rowing. Triceps work to push the arms forward and away from the body. Triceps pull the handle towards the body, but when you bend your arms to bring the oars to your chest, biceps come into play. The extensors and flexors of the wrist joint also work to grip the handle and assist the movement. Number 2. Chest muscles. The beauty of rowing is your chest muscles also get a workout during exercise. Each time you bring the handle towards the chest, pectoral muscles contract and provide a movement pattern just like push-ups. This helps tone the chest muscles and increase their strength. Number 3. Shoulder muscles. After biceps and triceps, shoulder muscles like deltoids are the second most important muscles of the upper body involved in rowing. Deltoids that connect the humerus to the shoulder blades and collarbone are activated with each stroke. These muscles assist the biceps and triceps in pulling the handle towards the chest and therefore regulate the movements. Now, let's talk about the third region of the body involved in rowing, which is your back area. Back muscles control the movements of other muscles of the body and maintain posture. These include latissimus dorsi, trapezius, and rhomboids. Let's look into their role in rowing one by one. Number 1. Latissimus dorsi. According to fitness experts, this is one of the important muscles in rowing, swimming, chopping, and violent exploration. This is a broad, flat, triangular-shaped muscle that is primarily responsible for pulling the handle to your body during the final phase of the stroke. Latissimus dorsi also plays an important role at the catch as it controls the extension of arms. Number 2. Trapezius. Normally, the main function of the trapezius is posture maintenance, along with the movement like turning the head, elevating, and depressing the shoulder. However, in rowing, trapezius works with other muscles of the back to provide support to the shoulder blades. This muscle also assists in pulling the handles towards the chest. Number 3. Rhomboids. These are the group of muscles important in the movement of the upper limb and stability of the shoulder girdle. In rowing, rhomboids work by supporting the trapezius muscles, while their other functions are not so clear. So, whenever you start a stroke, rhomboids ensure extra stability to your movements. The last important area of the body involved in rowing that helps maintain the posture is the abdominal or belly area. The abdominal muscles, otherwise called core muscles, provide support to the body and maintain intra-abdominal pressure. Whenever you straighten backward or lean forward during the exercise, the abdominal muscles activate. These muscles keep your spine safe and maintain body balance. Oblique muscles that run along the sides of your core also play a crucial role in rowing. When you push the handle and release it, the oblique muscles get activated. These muscles work by compressing the abdominal cavity when you move downwards during recovery. Obliques provide stability to your body by assisting the spinal flexion and maintaining an excellent overall posture. That's all for today's video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to share it with your friends. Do you want to start losing weight right away? Click on the link in the description for the ultimate weight loss method.